So GBP USD number 1, NZD number 2. This does look good. I do see these two happening first before anything else. We have this beauty because I put CAD JPY at number 3. Again, just being a inverse head and shoulder situation, and price showing us the breakout right now. I will simply wait for the retracement before having the continuation. It does not get easier than this. This is our number 1 pair to trade, well, number 3 pair to trade based off of just patterns alone. Price is showing us reversal patterns. Price is establishing these reversal patterns. Now we're just waiting for price to form the retracement before we have that continuation. So this is my number 3. Number 4, you know why. Number 5, you know why. Number 6, you know why. So good opportunities. Let's see what happens. Like always, updates will be posted.
It's week 5. What's good? Welcome back to the video. Today's video, we'll be talking about the same thing we talked about last video, the charts. So what do we have on this week's agenda? 1, it looks really good. We did a pre-market analysis, which we broke down all of the pairs like we do all the time. We got left with 6 top pairs. Out of those 6, we analyzed them. We have 2 of them right now being our main one. Well, were our main ones. Then they got out of sync with the daily time frame. Just blah, blah, blah. Matter of fact, you can see these are now my top 4 pairs. We had GU on the list, but going towards GU, you can see how beautiful this looks in a daily trend. But going towards a 4-hour, you can see how we're out of sync. So simply not interested. And then we had NZD USD. Same thing. Beautiful bearish trend. As you can see, the breaker structure of these recent higher lows. Going towards a 4-hour, we are out of sync, being bullish. So not really interested. So it knocked us down now towards these top 4. CAD JPY looks amazing. You can see the break and retest of these recent higher highs. Now having a retest right now. If price in the next 7 hours, in the next 7 hours. So if price in the next 7 hours can close with this daily candlestick retracement, this will be allowing the 4-hour to have the retest of that recent zone. As long as we don't go and break past this structural level, we are good. You can see how price treats it as resistance. I want to see price get back above, treat it as support, ride towards the upside. Our next pair, USD JPY, daily time frame, the same thing. You see how we go from bearish to then bullish due to the break of these lower highs. We now are forming that retracement on the daily time frame. 4-hour time frame is pulling back towards this level of support / resistance. As long as price stays above this recent higher low, we can see price reject like we're doing right now, and then continue towards upside. Oh, almost forgot. Euro JPY looks really ugly. The 4-hour is bearish, and I'm sure you guys guessed it, the daily is still bullish. NZD JPY having a retracement, daily's bullish, but it looks like the 4-hour wants to give you the break of that higher low. So not really interested. So truth be told, we have CAD JPY, USD JPY. We got a good list looking. We have some good trades looking to farm, and we got to be patient. Like always, I'm going to the gym. I'm about to go to the gym. Once I get into a trade or something happens, I'm gonna pick y'all up and I'm gonna show y'all. I know it's been pretty slow, but that's how trading goes, how my trading goes at least. But yeah, if something interesting happens, I'll pick y'all up. Only thing I've been doing is editing, recording, editing, recording, editing. So it's not really fun watching that same process over and over again, but just know that's the only thing I'm doing, because if it was different, I would have picked you up. Like I said, updates will be happening, and I'm about to go to the gym. I'm gonna catch y'all.
All right, y'all, so we have updates on tonight. Tonight looks really good. Number 1 pair is CAD JPY, and why is that? So the daily time frame, as you can see, we are performing the retracement. You can see how we broke through our recent lower highs. Price is now forming that retracement. Now we just wait in the next 2 hours, 23 minutes, if price can close like so. If that happens, the 4-hour time frame, you can see how this is allowing us to have the rejection towards this area of structure. Zooming out, we have multiple signs of rejection towards the zone, which is good. 1-hour time frame, we are bearish, but I'm not really worried about the 1-hour time frame. As long as we can see some type of 1-hour bullish engulfing come later tonight, presenting us with our entry, followed up with our, well, before the 1 hour, looking for the shifter structure on the 15-minute time frame, which is followed up with the 1 hour bullish engulfing, and we simply just ride this trade back towards target. So the 1 hour time frame, I'm not too worried about. 30-minute time frame, you can see how price is breaking back bullish around here. You can see we were in this bearish trend. Price had this lower high, and now price is breaking through this lower high, which is really good, showing signs of reversal back towards the upside, getting in sync with the daily and the 4-hour time frame. The 15-minute time frame, this looks amazing. You can see how we were trending bearish. As we're trending bearish, price then has the flip due to the breakout of these lower highs. Now come later tonight, I would love to see price do a deeper pullback like so, establish this left head right shoulder concept on the 15-minute time frame. Once this can get established, we simply wait for the breakout of these continuation highs, stops just below, and then targets, like always, targeting those highs. Look at something like this. So this does look very, very good for later tonight. CAD JPY we put as ready. The second pair we was eyeing was USD JPY. USD JPY, the reason I'm really not worried about this pair anymore is based off of the lower time frame. So daily time frame, if we take this away, you can see the break of structure due to these recent lower highs. Price is now forming that retracement. We're simply waiting for price to close like so, forming that retracement. Once price can have that candlestick closure, we go towards the next step, being looking at the 4-hour time frame, seeing the rejection, which price is showing. You can see we had this recent structure zone, we have resistance, support, looking towards the left, multiple zones of support slash resistance, right? So a well-respected zone, we're maintaining above, and now price just formed us that beautiful bullish engulfing on our higher time frames. 1-hour time frame, we are bullish. You can see how price is still trending bullish. We haven't broke past these lows, which is really good. Price formed that rejection, showing that price is still maintaining in this bullish trend, which overall you want to see. So now we have daily 4-hour and the 1-hour all in sync towards the upside, which is good, just giving you a higher grade status. 30-minute time frame, however, is bearish. If we do perform the breakout of this recent lower high around here, we can see that flip from bearish to bullish, but you all could see how far away we would be from our zone. So if you did find an entry, typically you want your stops to be below your area of interest or at your area of interest, and looking something like this and then your targets being here, this setup overall is just completely ugly. Price does give you a break here. You're simply too far away from this trade and you should just walk away. 15-minute time frame, same thing. You can see the 15-minute time frame have the cleaner structure of our lower high, and like we just talked about, price gives you a break here. You're simply too far away from your zone. We're looking at a 100 pip difference. That's stupid. Just walk away. It's no point to trade. Let's say if this happens though, if price has this continuation now towards the downside, we break out of these recent lower lows, and then price has that continuation. We then just wait for the shift of structure back towards the upside. Once that is presented, entry stops just below your zone, and now your target, still the same target, you get a better risk to reward. You have this setup and you have the breakout setup, right? And then same thing, like I said, stops have to be close or underneath your area of interest. One good setup, 2 scenarios, and you can obviously see which one you would prefer overall. I'm praying you said the second one, but if that does not get established, we simply don't trade it. So like always, updates will be posted, so y'all stay tuned, and I'm gonna catch y'all later. All right, y'all, so I just got done recording. I'm about to show y'all, so hold on. So right here, I did a recording for my crypto investments. Right now, I'm about to show y'all, I want to show y'all something. Obviously, y'all can see that board behind me. I just scarfed down some chicken fajitas and rice, some yellow rice. Bomb. I'm about to show y'all my task list that I make every day or at the beginning of the week, so I can know what I'm doing throughout the week and I don't have to, play this game of juggling on trying to figure it out. So check me out. Right now, we're almost done. We have 13 tasks. As you can see, we completed 5. Don't worry, because I know y'all about to come for it. I know y'all gonna say something. The writing, I didn't really try to write. I was just scribbling just because I was trying to get it done or get it on here fast. I can read it. I know nobody else can read it, so just don't say nothing. We did the crypto recording. We just finished. We have the fold to close, the trading challenge. We are editing. We finished. Well, we are editing this right now. We recorded for the Discord. We posted our shorts for Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. I have to make a short for our birthday video. I have to edit. I have to make a short for a mall video. I have to edit and then start editing those videos. And then I have to record the counter trend strategy. And then I got due dates as well. So this is this Friday for me and my fiance's channel, and then this is next Friday for our channel as well, just giving me something to work on in advance. The counter trend strategy, it's a banger. So I gotta record it. I know I have to. I'm really taking my time, but it's gonna happen, so don't worry about it too much. As of right now, I've got everything I needed to do done. I think I'm about to just decompress, lay down, close my eyes, not go to sleep, but just really and relax. And then I guess I'll just pick y'all back up. I'm not gonna talk, but I'll pick y'all back up as I'm editing so I can just show y'all that. Edit and take the trade later tonight. I'm gonna catch you. You can obviously see that we are editing. Yes, I haven't got chopped and screwed in depth, but we are editing. So it just started. I'm picking y'all up just to show y'all that that's what I'm doing. We are looking at the YouTube. You can obviously see we are now sitting at 556 subscribers, which is good. Slowly but surely views are coming back. I think I got shadow banned at one point because my views dropped, but it is what it is. You know, all part of the Lord's plan. I trusted him, not nobody else. If I got shadow banned, it was for a reason, and we just keep posting. Can't do nothing about it. But me and my fiance's channel, we are doing amazing. So you can obviously see we are now at 69 subscribers. The shorts we've been posting have been getting a lot of views. This is the last recent video, but the shorts have been getting some good views. Our channel name is right there. So if you want to check us out, 1, type it in, and then 2, I'm gonna leave a description down below. We'll leave it in the description down below. You can just go click it and see what you like. Yeah, right now I'm about to edit, chill, and wait until some opportunities happen come later tonight. Oh yeah, I want to show y'all my logo. So obviously y'all know the intro. That is my original, like my first logo, and this is what it looked like. So this is my first ever logo, like ever. This was the first time I created my LLC. This is the first logo that I thought of, right? AlphaFx, and then I had someone create it for free, which is a blessing as well. Our new logo is this. This is my favorite. So AlphaFx, obviously. Then we have 2 Corinthians chapter 5, verse 7. For we walk by faith, not by sight. Just showing that we walk with our faith through the Holy Spirit, trusting in the Lord for one, what he's done for us already. And because of that faith that we have in him, because of the love that we have for him, just applying his word into our everyday life and really going away from our thoughts, our ways, taking that away and truly just putting your faith into it, right? You can't see the outcome, but do you have faith you can reach the outcome by just showing up, applying every single day what you can apply. And yeah, that's the motto. For we walk by faith, not by sight. I can't see it, but I know if I just keep going, it will be there. So we go by faith. And yeah, right now I'm editing. Just wanted to pick y'all up and tell y'all that and show my new logo to y'all. I need to get a new intro made with this logo. So we're gonna see what can happen. Oh yeah, I'm gonna post it because the last time that's how I got my other logo made. We're gonna post it, see what happens. If we can get some traction on that, see if somebody makes it for free. If not, see how much it costs and go from there. But I'm gonna catch y'all with more updates when we get into the trade. Deuces. All right, y'all, so I'm pretty happy right now. Why am I happy? Because I just made me and my fiance's our channel on TikTok. I have reels that I have in flow right now to post on TikTok. I have reels that I'm posting on YouTube. I have reels that we're posting on Instagram. Those reels are getting traction, which is good. We're having interaction, which is good. People are liking those videos, which is good. We have 2 videos in the vault that I am editing right now, which later on down the road I can get shorts for later this week that we can post for our reels and channels. I have my trading channel that's doing well. Give all praise to our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. I have my channel where I'm posting reels on. I have my Instagram that I'm posting reels on, and I have my own TikTok that I'm posting reels on. So we have 8 different sources of social media platforms that we're constantly posting every single day to grow. I'm just so happy. I cut it on so I can share my excitement with y'all. And 2, just give thanks to the Lord. Like, Christ has put me in such a calming position, such a peaceful state of mind to be able to do all these things, knowing that the outcome is going to be amazing. The outcome will be in my favor because I'm not doing it for myself. I'm doing it for Christ. And I'm going to show y'all how to do so every single day, even when it's getting hard, even when it's frustrating, because of course I don't want to do it, but nobody else is going to do it but me. I'm not in a position to hire somebody. I'm not in a position to have someone else work on the things that I need to work on. So what happens? You take accountability and you start putting your head down. You get to work. So right now we're getting to work and it feels amazing. We've been doing it for I don't know how long, but we've been doing it for a while now. If you know me, Obviously, you know I've been doing this for a while because any and every time somebody asks me to go out, I simply say no. Not because I don't want to or I don't like that person, but it's loud in here, hold on. It's just because I got stuff to do, I have goals to reach, and I'm not doing it for myself. Like I said, I'm doing it for Christ, and I'm doing it to put my family and my future family in a better position. I want to be the person that breaks those chains that's holding us back from having millionaires in our family. I don't know if my dad or my mom touched $1 million. They probably have, but I see and I know that they're not multi-millionaires where we're able to spend and do stuff and not worry about the money part. I want them to be able to explore, do stuff, and not worry about how much it costs. Whatever it is, go do it. And this is where it starts. The grind, the dedication, the sacrifices now. Yeah, I just had to come on here and show y'all. We're still not in the trade, still allowing it to play out. We do see that happening coming later tonight. Like I said, I'm gonna cut the camera on when it happens. Deuces. Hi y'all, good morning. Nothing happened this morning. I wanted to cut y'all on and surprise y'all with a trade, but no, Price didn't want to do that. So, oh look, we rigged our own fan to make it like height level. You get what I'm saying. So check me out, look, on what we talked about. We talked about CAD JPY yesterday. So on CAD JPY, you can see how the 4 hour broke back underneath the zone, which I don't want to see. And then we are looking to go and break this 4 hour higher low. We're showing signs of rejection, which is good. Price can still have that push back above here, and then we can enter to ride towards that next zone. But we simply have to wait. One, we have to wait for that. And then two, we have to allow this 15-minute time frame to work its way back up here, give us the breakout, and then we start looking for entries. It's only 8:38. The 4 hour candle still has 3 hours. Let's go. Actually, look. We have 3 hours and 21 minutes before it closes. So right now it looks like it's giving us a break, but we won't know until that candlestick closes. CAD JPY is not looking like we're going to get an opportunity, which is fine. Next, we have USD JPY, my second pair. You can see price is still maintaining above, which is really, really good. We are now showing signs of rejection. Going towards the 15-minute time frame, we simply just have to wait for the shifter structure to step in. You can see how price was bullish. Price then went bearish due to the breakout of these lows. Well, price was bearish. We're having a continuation due to the breakout of these lows. We have our lower high here, lower low here. If price presents me with an opportunity, I will have to see it break this lower high, which I don't want to because we're too far away from my zone. I would simply want this 15 minutes to give me a breaker structure here, which is then followed up by another breaker structure right here, giving me my entry at my zone. So, I don't know. We still have time. It's only Thursday, last day to trade. I don't trade on Fridays, but if it's Thursday going into a Friday, I'll trade. Besides that, nothing happened. I'll catch y'all with updates later. All right, y'all, so update for trading for tonight. So obviously we know that CAD JPY is no longer our favorite pair. Looking at it from the 4 hour time span, you can see we broke through our higher low, pushing us out of sync. So now USD JPY. Daily time frame, we are bullish still. You can see based off of the breakout of these recent lower highs. Right now, the 4 hour is having the retest of that zone. It does look like the 4 hour wants to go and give us a break of these higher lows, going from this bullish to the bearish trend. If that happens, we simply walk away. But what I am waiting on the 15-minute time frame is the push that price is showing us. You can see how we were trending bullish. Price then had the continuation break around here, breaking past these recent lower lows, then having the retracement, and then having the next break of structure happen around there. So right now I want to see price have a push towards the upside, giving me another break, going from bearish to then bullish, breaking past these recent lower highs, waiting on the 30-minute bullish engulfing, where we will possibly be looking to take this trade from zone to zone. Prayerfully this happens, but if not, like I said, we just don't trade this week. So let's see what happens throughout the night. And like always, updates will be posted. All right, so no trade taken this week so far, which is normal. Price did present us with opportunities, but it did not fulfill our checklist, so we didn't trade it. I do have a pair that I am interested in come later tonight, but I'm not going to speak on it, nor am I going to record it until it presents me with further confirmations allowing me to see that price is ready. When that happens, like always, I'm going to record it, bring it to you all so y'all can see the ins and outs on how I think with the markets, how I trade the markets, and how I operate the markets. Until then, I'ma catch y'all.